Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 59. The ratio of employee works and benefits to all other operational costs of a business is 2 to 3. If a business total operating expenses are $130,000 per month, how much money does the company spend on employee works and benefits? So if we understand the problem is you have this much money, 130,000, okay, $130,000, and you have to spend for 5 parts. You have to divide 2 and 3. You add up and it's 5 parts. Okay, so you divide this one into 5 parts equally. So 2 part of it is the works and the benefits of the employee. That's what we try to find. Okay, this is the works and the benefit of the employee, and this is the question mark we need to know that it's 2 part. So the bigger part is another cost. Okay, so based on the information I have, I can eliminate A and B. Why? It's because I need to find one part of this is 130,000. I have to divide by 5 parts to see how much is one part of this, and then I multiply by 2. Then I will have the spend on the employee works and benefits. Okay, and we know that if the last digit of a numbers is 0 or 5, it's divisible by 5. It means you don't have any remainder, or the final answer will be like the whole numbers. You don't have any kind of like a decimal or something. So based on that, I just automatically eliminate the first and the second choices. Okay, now I have two options, the lab two option, right? Based on reading this, when I adding those numbers, you see that 2 and 8 make it 0, right? 10, write 0, and then remember 1. Then you have 7 and 5 is 12, so that's exactly 130. So what does that mean? You see that you have 52 and you have 78. Which one is bigger, right? So the 52 is smaller, 78 is the bigger part compared to each other's, right? So it's about like 2 to 3 as well. So I will choose this one for the 2 part of the 130,000 amounts, right? That's just kind of like the common sense. But I mean, to making sure we have the right answer, we have to solve for the problem. Okay. So let's see this one where I can shorten, I can kind of like make it short for the calculations and saying, hey, I will reduce that 3 digits right here, make it look like 130K. Okay. And that K I don't care because it's just 0. So I will reduce that and then divide by 5. Then I will have like this. I will have 130K over 5, okay? Then 130 divided by 5. 130 divided by 5, you have 13 divided by 5 is 2. You got 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, you got 30, okay? Then 30 divided by 5 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Then you don't have any remainder. That's what I'm talking to you at the beginning. So because of that, you will have here is 26K. Remember, this is just the 130 divided by 5. And that K stands for 1,000. It's 3 digits after that. Okay, so that is one part. One part here is 26K. So two part, you multiply by 2. You will have 2 times 26K. This one will be 52K. And 52K mean 52,000. Okay, and then with the dollars, we have the cent, remember? So 2 more digits after the decimal. So it's 100th place. Okay, so that is the $52,000. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.